I go to the grocery store. I take a shopping bag. I enter the store. I pick fresh vegetables. I pick fresh fruits. I buy rice and flour. I buy milk and eggs. I check the prices. I choose good quality items. I put items in my basket. I buy cooking oil. I buy tea and sugar. I buy snacks for home. I check the expiry dates. I go to the cashier. I pay the bill.
Thank you.
I take my receipt. I pack my groceries. I leave the store. I carry the bag home. I store food in the kitchen. I keep vegetables in the fridge. I organize all groceries. I feel happy with my shopping.